Boating can be seen as a hobby, but for many of us, it's much more than that. It's how we choose to spend our most valuable assets, time.
Leaving the hard surface of the world to our liquid playground. This is where some of our real lives start. It's the rush of shredding the dynamic liquid surface, exploring new settings and trying new things. Spreading the lifestyle with our younger generation, giving them experiences we could only dream of when we were younger.
Families united and connected without distractions, forging memories that will never be forgotten.
The calm and the quiet away from the chaos, where we hit our reset button. Time set free to be who we really are without holding back. Letting go the stress of land life and getting back to basics.
For some, it's a livelihood, a constant challenge for growth and exceptional performance. A dedicated high standard of discipline and complete effort. Passion? It's just the beginning. Being on the water is a lifestyle only few understand, but the ones that do realize the value, which is why at Tommy's we are going above and beyond to make sure that this time is protected, to make sure that lake life never slows down. We're always on the water with Tommy's Boats.
Always on the water.
Always.
Always on the water with Tommy's Boats.